In this video, we show how to place the right control panel in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the right control panel with the cover, drive backplane cover, air shroud, the fan cage assembly, as well as the sidewall brackets removed from the system, lift up on the blue tab and disconnect the cable from the HPM. Remove the 5 screws that secure the cable cover in place. And remove the cable cover. Then pull the cable through this chassis and then loosen the 3 screws that secure the control panel in place. And slide the control panel off the system. To install the right control panel, align and slide it into the system. Then replace the 3 screws to secure it in place. And run the cable through the hole in the side of the chassis. Then replace the cable cover and the 5 screws that secure it in place. Then reconnect the cable to the HPM. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.